The Meghalaya state government is gearing up for the announcement of the recent Lok Sabha election results. On 29th May 2024, East Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu convened a meeting with Superintendent of Police Rituraj Ravi and other officials to prepare for the 4th of June vote count. Speaking to the media after inspecting the venue, S.C. Sadhu assured that the state is fully prepared for the event. He also informed that the CAPF will be guarding the strong room and the entire counting premises will be secured by both the CAPF and the state police force.
This today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. There is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access, and up to this media center, we will allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this. So this is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the GOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also.